Okay, let's continue with the MCQ of our chemistry lesson, Roman numeral number 11, Impact of Saltwater and Wastewater Solutions on Ecosystems and Environmental Protection Measures. MCQ number 1. Which of the following is a common effect of saltwater intrusion on freshwater ecosystems? A. Increase dissolved oxygen. B. Loss of freshwater fish species. C. Decrease in salinity. D. Higher groundwater recharge. MCQ number 2. Wastewater discharge with high nitrate content often leads to A. Algal blooms. B. Mangrove restoration. C. Increase in fish population. D. Higher biodiversity. MCQ number 3. Which pollutant in wastewater is most responsible for eutrophication? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Phosphates. C. Oxygen. D. Sulfates. MCQ number 4. Saltwater intrusion in coastal aquifers is primarily caused by A. Heavy rainfall. B. Extraction of groundwater. C. Soil erosion. D. Increased vegetation. MCQ number 5. The reduction of dissolved oxygen in rivers due to wastewater discharge can result in A. Fish kills. B. Increased reproduction in aquatic life. C. Cleaner water. D. Growth of coral reefs. MCQ number 6. Which of the following is an impact of untreated domestic wastewater on wetlands? Letter A. Preservation of biodiversity. B. Reintroduction of pathogens. C. Enhance oxygen supply. D. Reduction of algae. MCQ number 7. What is the best preventive measure against saltwater intrusion? Letter A. Overpumping groundwater. Letter B. Constructing recharge basins. C. Cutting mangrove trees. D. Increasing salinity. MCQ number 8. Wastewater with toxic heavy metals mainly harms aquatic ecosystems by A. Promoting plant growth. B. Bioaccumulation in fish and shellfish. C. Diluting water pollution. D. Restoring coral reefs. MCQ number 9. Which of the following is a sustainable method for treating wastewater before discharge? A. Direct dumping. B. Constructed wetlands. C. Salinity increase. D. Overpumping rivers. MCQ number 10. Algal blooms caused by wastewater discharge may lead to A. Oxygen depletion. B. More drinking water availability. C. Reduce water temperature. D. Increase freshwater biodiversity. MCQ number 11. Which ecosystem is most at risk from saltwater intrusion? A. Desert ecosystem. B. Freshwater lakes and rivers. C. Mountain ecosystems. D. Tundra regions. MCQ number 12. The presence of phosphates in wastewater comes mainly from A. Household detergents and fertilizers. B. Air pollution. C. Forest fires. D. Wind erosion. Let's go to MCQ number 13. Which control strategy reduces the impact of agricultural wastewater on ecosystems? A. Excessive fertilizer use. B. Buffer strips and riparian zones. C. Deforestation. D. Open dumping of sewage. MCQ number 14. The relationship between nitrates in wastewater and algal blooms is best described as A. Direct cause and effect. B. No relationship. C. Random occurrence. D. Negative feedback loop. MCQ number 15. Which conservation step can help protect ecosystems from wastewater and saltwater damage? A. Promoting reforestation and mangrove conservation. B. Continuous dumping of sewage. C. Over-extraction of groundwater. D. Allowing unlimited fertilizer use. MCQ, and then the answer key for our chemistry lesson, Roman numeral number 11, the impact of saltwater and wastewater solutions on ecosystems and environmental protection measures. Number 1, it's letter B, loss of freshwater fish species. Number 2, A, the letter A, algal blooms. Number 3, the correct answer is letter B, phosphates. Number 4, the correct answer is letter B, over-extraction of groundwater. Number 5, the correct answer is letter A, fish kills. Number 6, the correct answer is letter B, introduction of pathogens. Number 7, the correct answer is letter B, constructing recharge basins. Number 8, the correct answer is letter B, bioaccumulation in fish and shellfish. Number 9, the correct answer is B, constructed wetlands. MCQ number 10, A, oxygen depletion. And then number 11, the correct answer is letter B, freshwater lakes and rivers. Number 12, the correct answer is letter A, household detergents and fertilizers. MCQ number 13, the correct answer is letter B, buffer strips and riparian zones. MCQ ay number 14, the correct answer is A, direct cause and effect. Number 15. The correct answer is letter A, promoting reforestation and mangrove conservation. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye bye.